Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi guys! So I wanted to get on here quickly to share some important details in regards to Apple's latest rollout and security patches, which is 16.4.1 security response. So yep, it's now out and available for iPhone, iPad, and the Mac. And I wanted to share some details with you guys on how to install it, how to make sure it is installed on your iPhone, and why it's extremely important for you to have this installed onto your device. So let's just dive right into this video. Now, as always, if you would like up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, of course, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notification button so that you won't miss another episode. Now, the first thing I would like to talk about is what is a rapid security response update? Well, this is basically a new security patch that's provided in between software updates in order to patch any security issues or flaws within your iPhone or iPad. And it's also beneficial because you don't have to send an entire software update for your device. So, a security response is something we've been doing on computers for years and years. And now it was brought over to the iPhone. I talked about this before, but those were only sent over to beta software. This one is official 16.4.1, and I want to start off with that because it is only available for those devices running official software. So if you're running a beta, you won't see this on your iPhone. And the way for you to find out is if you want to go to your settings, you have to click on General. Then you want to go to Software Updates. Now, if you see the latest security response available here, then of course you want to click it to install. It's going to be a small file anyway, anywhere between 70 to 95 to 100 megabytes. Now, if you don't see it here, it could be because your iPhone has already installed it. You want to go into automatic updates here, and if this thought will here for secure response, it's turned on. There's a good possibility that your iPhone has already installed a secure response as Apple continues to roll it out since it has been only about 24 hours since they released it. It could take up to 40 hours for everyone to get it, and now, in order for you to know if you already have your iOS security response on your iPhone, your iPad, or your iMac, the next thing you have to do is go to your settings. Here, you need to go into General, then go into About, and right here, where it says iOS version, you want to click on that, and right below here, you will see right here, remove security response for iOS 16.4.1. And that means it's already installed. So you don't want to remove it, obviously. Just make sure that it is there and it is the latest security patches. There's actually over 13 security issues being covered here with the latest iOS 16.4.1 security response. And it's also available for Mac, as I've mentioned, Mac OS 13.3.1 and iPad OS 16.4.1. Also has the same latest security response. So this is really extremely important again. So guys, it is covering over 13 security flaws and issues within iOS and Mac OS operating system. So that is how we check if security response 16.4.1 is available in your phone.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.